welcome back to our channel Take AI. On today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a character on Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like explore, search, create, messages and your profile. Tap on your profile. There you're gonna see 5 categories like your characters, then your memories, then the favorites, likes and cards. Tap on characters. Under characters you're gonna see options like all, public, unlisted and private. From there, go ahead, look for the character that you've created and you want to delete. Once you find that character, go ahead and look for the 3-dot menu on the top right corner of that character. Tap on it, then a small menu will prompt on your screen. There you can see options like edit, delete and pin. Tap on delete, then select delete again. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a character on Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.